talk to you guys in forever, and right now I got the car. And I am on my way to pick up my boyfriend and then head to my destination. I stopped at KFC to get a little meal because your girl was hungry. And what I'm buying, they pricey. What I'm buying costs $2,040. That's like what, 20 something dollars in America dollars for a meal. But it's okay. It's okay. It's 2 meals. So I'm not gonna try and make it sound like they're stealing or whatever. I bought 2 meals. So I'm on my way and I'm excited because honestly I literally thought I missed out on lunch, which I was upset about. So but I haven't missed out on lunch, which I'm happy about because they said one of the restaurants in the resort closes at 9 and one closes at 10. So you know your girl about to hit up that resort. They ain't gonna play with my food today, because if they even try to give me a little bit of try to be fancy, nah sis, it's all big meals right here. Our girl is hungry. I haven't eaten anything for morning. I have not made breakfast. I haven't done anything. I literally just came out. I forgot that Jamaica time is a little bit 1 hour behind. So all this time I thought they were going by American time, and honestly they weren't. They were going by Jamaican time. So I was extra early for no reason. The flight was 12:55, but in but that's in Jamaican time. So that's like 1:55 in America. So I leave my house at 9 to get to the airport by that time just to be early. Like, what the heck? Just to be early for what? But anyways, this is how it looks. You know, there's a Burger King next door. I don't feel like buying anything. But yeah, I'm so happy. I've never rented a car before, but you honestly say it's a Toyota Corolla. I will give you a tour of it. I will explain in detail a next video just to let you know how to rent it. But you can rent a car. I can't even rent a car in America, but I can rent a car in Jamaica. So yes, okay, I'm gonna call my phone right now. So I talk to you guys later when I reach my destination. Go pick up my boo thing. I figured that I should drive this time. He normally picks me up when I come from the airport. Yo, that's how thirsty I am. My foot is dry. He normally picks me up from the airport, but now it's my turn to pick him up from his house. So I decided since I'm gonna go to the airport regardless, I don't like waking up people in the middle of the morning, early morning, just to drop me off. So I gotta fix my lashes though. I've been walking around with my lashes not good. You can see this one's up and this one's down. Girl, yeah, your girl press. I love my outfit. I actually thought that this dark color would not look good, but this girl, it looks good or whatever. Look at that. That's a coaster bus, y'all. Y'all don't see it? You see how packed that bus is? Okay, I'm gonna leave it there. I'm gonna get my food or whatever. I'm gonna eat it on the way, because that girl, you don't understand how hungry I am, but I'm so excited because I got me a car. Oh, So we're at Mew, guys. Look, me and Bae is here looking scrumptious, but we gonna get inside, guys. We gotta check in, and it's freaking 9 something. Here, baby, hold yours. Good morning, everybody. Right now it's like 6:36 in the morning, and the view is amazing, y'all. Like, look at that. What? It's nice. Look at that, y'all. Just waiting for the honestly, we're waiting for the rain to go down. Tired. I have no idea why I'm tired. My eyes are burning me and I feel weirdish. I feel sickish. Never drink liquor, guys. Never drink liquor. Hey, bae. Right now I'm not sure. I was gonna say he's tired. Damn, I just think while ago. I was gonna say he's tired, but honestly I don't know how he feels right now. But we are gonna get ready in a few to try to get some breakfast. Try to eat something because, of course, we're not going to stay in the room the whole entire day. So we're going to get something in our system and we're going to vlog when we go down there because I'm hungry. I'm not really hungry, actually. I'm not gonna. Just want to get something in my stomach. That's it. The lighting is sucks. So guys, we just got some food. Me and Babe here eating. Honestly, the cat attire, I have no clue what attire is, but it's just nice. Like, you look good, and I, look plain, but it's okay. So I'm gonna show you what we got. All right, guys. So we're heading to go on our boat ride. Because we did book a boat trip. He doesn't like the water, but he gonna love it. He's gonna love it. He's gonna love it. So we're heading there right now. We're supposed to get on the bus by 11:45, and then on the boat by 12:50 something. So I guess it takes an hour to get to the boat. Not sure, but yeah, we have to walk very long. Like you gotta walk this far just to get to the resort. But look at the view, y'all. I love the view. But we'll see you guys when we get to the yacht.
I smell like holy fuck animal.
So we heading over to head on the cruise. Maybe.
Where's going snorkeling? Come around here, sir.
Michael, come over here.
Wait, do I take my shoes?
Sorry. Come on, get your legs in it. Come on, swim up. Work. It's like, yo, it's like fish is mashing.
Caleb.
It's like fish mashing on there. Caleb, too close.
Yeah.
Come. Caleb, where are you going?
Caleb. Caleb. Go this way.
Here, come to me.
Go, let him go around you.
Wrap it up.
Foreign kids.
Usually.
You can take it out your mouth now. You know that, right?
Leave it now.
I think I lie for you. I think I controller. Nothing can stop me.
I'm on the way. Okay guys, so we pretty much just came from the yacht. We had a great time, and they said he had a great time as well. Did you?
Yeah, I did.
He had a great time, which I'm happy about because honestly, I wanted the both of us to experience this, and he experienced it, and he was happy with it. So now we're gonna get ready to go and eat some food. I'm not sure if baby gonna wear back his same clothes or not.
Nah, I'm hungry, bro.
So
I don't care. I'm gonna wear something.
yeah, I probably wear this. I have no idea. I hate this wrap. If y'all if y'all
You're not wearing that.
you get someone what to do.
You're not wearing that.
Sure. Anyways, so if you come into the Rio Hotel, don't get Ochi. This place be smelling awful. If I advise you, get Montego Bay. So I came in, y'all, and kind of light. I came in now, and the room service, they fixed the bed. That's so cute. The whole room was a mess, and these people actually fixed the bed, and they cleaned up a little bit. That's just the mess I just made. But we're gonna get ready right now, and we are going to get some food in our stomach because we are hungry, and we want to come back and enjoy the rest of the day because we haven't done anything. We haven't went to the beach side. We didn't do nothing, so we want to come enjoy the hotel. So later, y'all. Later. So guys, we are at dinner, and we're having a nice dinner. The place is pretty packed. We wanted to eat at different restaurants, but it's gonna take a long while. Some restaurants are full, and then the other restaurants, they're gonna be open in like 2 hours or so. And then there's a next restaurant over there, but it's a cook to order, so you gotta wait until the food. And me and my baby is hungry. Like after that whole yacht cruise thing, we were hungry, and we were like, you know what, let's eat. And right now my baby is eating. Like, he was not waiting for me. Nope. Good morning, y'all. So it's pretty much the day for my birthday, but I'm celebrating it now because we're leaving on my birthday to do something else. So I just woke up to use the bathroom honestly, and look what I came and see. It's so cute. Look. And now I'm gonna open my gifts, but I can't show you guys until my video. I'm gonna do a haul of things that I got. Oh shoot, we forgot to do the Shein haul for the video, but it's okay guys, we're gonna do it soon. I know you guys requested for us to show how the clothes actually look because you guys are scared to shop on the site, so we'll do the haul. But right now, bye.